Welcome to Sleeping with Strangers. I'm your host, Beau. Today we are visiting Che Tulum Hostel and Bar. It is a gated hostel, so you need to ring the bell for entry. Che offers a very nice pool and bar area to meet all your fellow travelers. Next, let's go up to my room. This is an 8-bunk mixed dorm. Each bed has its own privacy curtain, outlets, and storage locker big enough for two 55-liter backpacks. This hostel will cost between $14 and $23 a night. I happen to be visiting during the 5-year anniversary party, so my rate was $22.50. My overall rating for this hostel is friendliness, 9.5, cleanliness, 8.0, amenities, 8.0, SWS factor, 8.0, for an average score of 8.4. If you're in Tulum, I definitely suggest you check this one out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Sleeping with Strangers. Beau out.